something to eat right here. So, oh, I just said we had the meat. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today is gonna be spend the day with me or a day in my life type of video. I got a few things needs to be done. I filmed today. I was gonna do a week in my life, but things didn't plan out how I want, so this is my backup. So it is currently 11 something. I'm just honestly getting up for the day. So I think I'm about to make a coffee or some tea. I think either I'm gonna do a lemon ginger tea or some coffee, but I'm not 100% sure just quite yet. So either this or some coffee. I was thinking both, but I don't want to do that. I had some coffee already, so I've been having coffee for the past few days. So we're gonna do lemon ginger tea. I'm gonna do this, and then I'm also gonna come over here and show you guys. Let me just flip the camera around. So this is like our little setup or whatever. But I'm gonna put a little bit of this in here and just a tad bit of my probiotics in here, and I'm gonna drink one of my drink. Let me go show you my drink. Okay, so this is my prebiotic soda that I like to drink. This is the poppy, and this is the orange one. The orange one is my favorite, along with the classic cola. So yeah, this is what I'm having today. My mug is super cute. My cousin made it for me for my birthday. But tea goes in. No one puts things back like they found it. By the way, I just need some time alone. Hey guys, so I cleaned up my room. I'm now feeding baby, and I'm actually about to give her a bath. So I'm gonna let y'all see that process. Okay, you guys, it is 3:13, and I have not had anything since I had breakfast this morning. So I'm going to make some lunch. So. Okay, so I got this lettuce. This is shredded iceberg lettuce. Look a little brown, but that's okay, I guess. Yeah, I got some lettuce, and I got some chicken. I wish I had some croutons, but that's okay. I know. I'm gonna get some microwavable bacon. I'm gonna put that in there as well with some cheese. I think I'm gonna boil an egg as well. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So this is my meat. Cooking it up now. I've actually made a salad like this before, but not with the egg. So I'm just cooking meat, and I got my eggs right here. I'm gonna use, this is the bacon I'm gonna use. Oops. This is microwavable bacon. And then this is the lettuce. And then I got 2 containers right here to put it in. Okay, I want to show you guys some of the stuff I use to season this with. So I use this garlic salt right here. I think it's like garlic salt and herbs. This is some pepper, but you just gotta twist your own. I use salt, seasoning salt, and Italian seasoning, basil, and oregano on my chicken. Okay, the bacon is in the microwave now. The eggs are still boiling. And the chicken is done, so I'm going to start assembling some stuff. Also, you guys, I like to make my own dressing. So I'm going to make my own dressing. But, yeah. I'll fill it up really high. I like the way that one looks. And I have two, so I'm gonna do this one as well. Okay, that's it for lettuce. Okay, here comes the chicken. I want y'all to know, I used to assemble salads when I was working at a restaurant, okay? Just so y'all know, I'm really like that for real. I like a lot of meat. The more meat, the better. How about we just do another? I have my bacon here. So now, open up this bacon. Woo! This looks so good. I'm gonna take it. It's super hot. Woo! It's hot. Bacon down. Okay. Sorry, that was super hot. Just gonna put a piece there. Luckily, I made extra bacon though. So we don't have to worry about all of that. Woo! Hot. Okay, let me go get the egg. Okay, so the eggs are not done yet. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make my salad dressing. And then we'll come back to finishing off the salad when the egg is done. Okay, so I have my bowl here. I'm gonna go add a little bit of water. Yeah, that's good. So next, I got some apple cider vinegar. Oops, let me mix this up first. Shake it. Okay. Apple cider vinegar. Good. Okay, mix two. Okay, now I'm gonna add mustard. I know what you're thinking, but yes, I don't have any Dijon mustard, so this is the next best thing, you guys. It does not mix the best. It's good though. It's really, really good. Just a little bit more mustard. Okay. I'm gonna add a little salt. I'm gonna also add a little pepper. Lemonade. That's not mine. I don't know who that belongs to. Is it y'all or is it Yasmin? Who bought it? Yeah, I mean, that's that lemonade. ahead then. Okay, I usually don't do this, but I'm gonna add a little sugar just to combat some of that tartness to it. You drink some now, you'll drink now later. He already poured him some. Now let's taste it. Yo. Okay, this is what my salad dressing looks like. I know some cups of mustard have not, you know, dissolved as much as it should have, but this is it. Apple cider vinegar, olive oil, salt, pepper, mustard. Okay, so my eggs are ready now. So we're gonna last step is the egg and the cheese. So they're really hot at the moment. Crack, crack. Okay. I got to peel it. Peel it like bananas. You got to peel it. Peel it like bananas. Now, when I used to make salads, the egg was already scrambled. What I'm gonna do is simply just gonna put little egg slices. Yep, just like that. And then I'm gonna add the cheese and everything to this one, so you guys can just go ahead and see what we're working with. I'm gonna be adding mild cheese and Parmesan cheese, so I'm gonna add it over my chicken right here. Now I like cheese. This cheese is so hard to open. Oh my gosh. Okay, got the cheese open finally. So I'm gonna take some Parmesan. I'm just gonna put it in the corner. Let's just go ahead and add this cheese too. Okay, second egg. Let's peel this bad boy open. Yep, and that is my beautiful salad. This is the one that I'm going to eat right here. So I'm just going to and that's it. And salad is a 10 out of 10. One thing I'll do different is crumble bacon. But so good. Okay guys, so my mom's home from work, so she's about to go to Arby's, and I had my salad, so at least that's what she keeps saying to me. So I'm about to ride with her to Arby's. Look at my glasses. They broke because I sat on them, but I mean, they still work. Okay, they cute. They Steve Madden, so we just gonna fake it till we make it, and I can go find some more and hope they got these same ones in the store. That is dope. My hair is straight. Well, it's starting to get straight, so probably about to put my wig on soon. Yeah. Let's go to Arby's. Today felt so good, y'all, and the fact that it's about to cool down is very, very sad. Today was like 86 degrees. Yesterday was like 87 degrees. And tomorrow's supposed to be like 50, 60. It's very, very sad, very emotional. So, let's go. Oh, I just said we had good meat. Okay guys, so we've had a good kind of calm little day, but now I'm about to go lay in the bed. I might study for a little bit, not quite sure yet, but thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get on the next video.